Hi, I'm Chris with Power Products, and I'm with you online to highlight one of our new Polymax batteries. It's the PMKNB78LIP, a high-capacity battery for the Kenwood NX3000 series, the TK2170-3170, and a number of other popular Kenwood radio models. What's unique about this battery is its thin design and exceptional capacity. It measures less than 18 millimeters in thickness, or about 7/10 of an inch, yet offers capacity of 3,000 milliamp hours. That's an industry best. Here's the PMKNB78LIP attached to the NX3220 radio. Notice that the overall thickness is only slightly more than with a Power Products BP5635Li or a Kenwood KNB57L, but capacity is 50% greater. In addition to its sleek profile and great runtime, the KNB78LIP has a 2-year warranty, like all other Polymax batteries. For more information on this battery, visit us at powerproducts.com or email us at performance@powerproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.